और कल वाला रिकॉर्डिंग डाउनलोड हुआ, उसको अपलोड कर दो वहां पे, ठीक है। ये काम बीच में अपलोड का चढ़ा दो। तो तुमको एडमिन हम बनाओ, करेक्ट। Script is very important. JavaScript is very important as it is used with all the web programming, whether you develop the web program using HTML, CSS, Java, you develop using .NET, you develop Reactjs, you develop website using Python. Any web program you see in the market, JavaScript will come. So JavaScript is guest of all, you can see. Tell. JavaScript is guest of all. It can come and sit with any website. Okay. So let's see. Yesterday class, I am going to share the screen. First, I would like to tell few more things about JavaScript, and then we'll come to the program execution. Program execution is more important. And during the program, if any of the topic is not explained, I can explain the topic. Fine. So let's share now. So hope you all are able to see my screen. And this is the sum of the part yesterday. First I explained and then I stopped and executed one program. So you know how to write the program, where to write JavaScript program, guys, on any of the editor, Notepad++, Notepad, or Visual Code Editor, and many more editors are there in the market, and it will keep coming. You don't have to worry about that. So any of the editor you can use, and once you start using any of the editor, you become comfortable, you will like that editor. See, editors are from different company, and every company have marketing strategy. Fine. So here I'm going to show you some more concept, what else we can do using JavaScript. I already explained that JavaScript is a complete programming capability. It's a programming language, and it have all the thing what a other programming language have, like C++ or Java. Okay, so would like to explain few more things here. So how we write JavaScript, already we seen using a script tag. So here in this program, we have used a JavaScript. A script type is equal to text JavaScript. First we declare in the HTML program, and then we close this. In between whatever line of code we write, that is a JavaScript code. And in the HTML program, as soon as the compiler see this script type is equal to JavaScript, it understands the code in between is going to be JavaScript. So they do the compilation as per the JavaScript, not as per the HTML. That is the difference. See, JavaScript is written in the same program, CSS is written in the same program, and HTML is written in the same program. Compiler is also same. So compiler have to understand which part is HTML, which part is CSS, which part is JavaScript, and accordingly they have to work and behave like this. Fine. So see, in the college you meet your friend, you meet your teacher, so you behave differently. Same way the compiler meet, and compiler is going to be browser for JavaScript. We don't require to install anything new here. Fine. So this program has been already explained. So what are the rules and syntax of JavaScript? For a statement, create or variable, object, function, We are going to create object here, and we are going to create functions here. Document.write hello Dolly. So document is a object and write is a function or method. Okay. Java scripting in semicolon. So semicolon is not mandatory, but it is good practice to write, terminate each line of the statement in JavaScript with semicolon. Having the semicolon, you can write multiple statement in one line. If you don't write multiple statement in one line, then it's not mandatory. Fine. See, each statement is executed by the browser in the sequence they are written. Fine. So it's a JavaScript is also interpreted language. It's a client-side scripting language. It's a client-side scripting language. In this following example, we'll write a head and 2 paragraphs in web pages. So here JavaScript allow you to work with 3 primitive data types. So what is data type, guy? So whatever things you see in this world has been divided into different types. See some number. So number is one of the data type. Suppose your name I'm talking, so that will be a string. You tell lie or you tell true, so Boolean will be there. Some global variable and local variable. Any variable whose value exists throughout the program is known as global variable, and whose value is only within a function is local variable. And I know you all may be aware of this. You may be recalling yourself that you have studied this thing under C and C++. If you have a study in C++, well, okay. So all the programming, the basic thing is same. Syntax will be, concept will be same. Syntax will be slightly different. Fine. Next is JavaScript support the following type of operator. JavaScript support following type of operator. So now what do you mean by operator, guy? When you do programs, you do many kind of operations. Correct? Sometimes you add some number. When you add some numbers, so that will be arithmetic operator. Sometimes you have to do some calculation. You have to divide by something. You earn 5 students, and so you multiply. For 1 student charge was 100. So for 5 student, it become 5 into 100, 500. Many times you have to do the comparison. So comparison operator. Logical or relational operator, greater than, less than, assignment operator on some variable, be assigned some value, conditional operator. So this we will see in the program. Here today I'm in hurry, just I'm brushing you up with some of the concept what I couldn't explain you in last class. Okay, so here is one program, and if you look the program, I hope you will able to get the output and you will able to understand. This HTML program, we have taken the script type is equal to text JavaScript, and we have used some method document.write, and H1 this is a heading. So here what you see, guy, here HTML is coming in between JavaScript. That is the purpose of this program. Paragraph tag also we have used inside the JavaScript. Fine. So program goes like that. You write JavaScript inside HTML program, and again inside JavaScript you can write HTML program. Fine. JavaScript can group together in block. Group of code is never known as blocks. You can create a blocks using the flower bracket. Using the flower bracket, we can set a set of a statement that can be referred as blocks. The purpose of block is to make the sequence of a statement execute together. Whatever code is coming under this bracket will be executed in a sequence. Control will not go from one place to another place. Fine. See here, document.write. So JavaScript assignment. This is a small program. It's easy. JavaScript comment. Every programming language will have comment. So why we write the comment? To make the program more readable. So how we can comment, guy? Using this double backslash. Using this backslash, we can comment any line of code. We can comment any line of code. Write a heading, write 2 paragraphs. So this is comment. Any other programmer, if come here to modify this program, they can understand what is written and what is instructed in this program. Fine. So do you remember that? Okay, variable. Like X could be used to hold a value. We declare variable in the program. So why we declare variable in the program? To hold value. To hold value. How we declare? We can give some name, or we can use any letter A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Fine. Car name. So car name can be a variable. Okay, so there are some variable naming, what you may have a study in C and C++. All are applicable here. So if any of you may be known or you recall yourself, variable name, there shouldn't be a space in between. Variable name should start from the letter. Number shouldn't come. Underscore we can use. Dot should be not there. So these are the rules. Variable name are case sensitive. If you create capital Y and a small y will be considered different. Okay. Suppose you assign some value in a small y, and while printing you recall capital Y, you won't get value because both are different variable. Variable name must begin with a letter or underscore character. JavaScript is case sensitive, variable name are case sensitive too. Fine. So here this program variable names are there. I am not going to explain any program here because we have programs. Okay, if a statement, this is also referred as controller statement. So what is the use of controller statement? Controller statement control the flow of the program. Suppose I write that if a statement, if number of a student is less than 50, discontinue the class. So how we can do this? I am going to show you using the program. So here is the syntax. If condition, code to be executed if condition is true. Fine. So assignment is not going to come here. Switch case statement also you have to know, where we have choice of multiple. Where we have choice of multiple things, there we don't keep writing if else. There we use switch case statement. What I will show you using the program. Fine. So while loop. So what is loop? So do you know, guy, what is loop? See, if you require something in the program to do repetitive statement, some work have to be done continuously till it meets the goal. So there we use loop. So what are the loop, guy? While loop, for loop, do while loop, for loop, and so while loop itself is two types, do while and while. Fine. See here in the program. Fine. So now I am stopping this guy, and I hope you all are able to see my screen. So I am going to start execution of program. Is any difficulty? Are you getting my screen? Everyone are getting my screen, correct? I am right. So let us start execution of program. So to execute the program, what is required, guy? We have program written because time is short. So we have to work in fast manner. So first I would like to show you program of the operators. So what is operator, guy? So are you able to see, guy? Can anybody can confirm? Are you able to see the program?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So
yes, sir.
what do you mean by, guy, operators? Just before I explain, operators are like different operators are there, arithmetic operator, logical operators, okay? Logical operators. So how we can use operators in the program? So this is a HTML program, correct? This is a HTML program. If I cut this, this became HTML program completely. Now in this program, I am going to apply operators. Here what I am going to do, I am going to comment this. So how to comment in the program guy? This is a comment. Okay, this is a comment. Fine. I commented this program. Why it is not commenting? Because in between this is there. So this part is commented. So how we can write? First thing, we have to declare the JavaScript. That is mandatory. If I want to use JavaScript in any HTML program, first we have to declare that we are going to use JavaScript. For that, we require to include this script tag. Fine. Now, how to declare variable? How to declare variable? We can declare variable using a keyword where. We can declare a variable using keyword where. So we can give something number 1. So number 1 is the variable name. Can we give like that one number? So this is wrong. Variable name shouldn't start by number. Variable same name should start by alphabet. So 1 and I assign 10. So we should terminate also. If I terminate, what is the thing? I can declare another variable also. Fine. So another variable we take where number 2. So here 20. So what is this equal to, guy? So this is a operator. This is a operator. What operator this is? This is a assignment operator. This is a assignment operator. I can comment here and write. Here I can comment and write. This is a assignment operator. Fine. This is the assignment operator. I use it. We declare variable and we assign some value to this variable. Next. So what we can do, guys, we can use some another variable is there, test C. So test C also we can do result, where we can use some variable to just hold HTML tags, which can give us break line, and document.write. We declare a formula. We declare a formula document.write, and then document.write, and we give the result. Okay, and we this one. Fine. I will explain you. So this is only coming to display a plus b is equal to. Afterwards, we don't have break. So next, whatever a statement is going to come, it is going. So this is result. This is a formula. This result is a formula. Result we can declare also. So how we can declare? Where we can declare? So where is equal to result, and just I terminate. I don't assign any value. In result, I am going to add using this. This is what kind of? This is a additional operator. Additional operator. This is the additional operator I use in we got calculation addition, and now I am going to display this. So how you can display result in JavaScript? That document.write and that variable name. Document.write and variable name. So this result is going to come. Let's see execute this program now. So program is operator 1. Execute this. So did we got any result, guy? We couldn't get any result. A plus B is blank. So let's see what is wrong here. Result is there. Result, suppose it is not declared. What's happened? Okay. So now why the value is not coming? There is no value assigned to A and B. No value is assigned to A and B. So in place of changing so many, what I am going to do, guy? A I am keeping here, and here I am making the variable name B. Okay. So now we will get the value. Okay. Now we will get the value. So we got the value 30. We got the value where 30. So result is not coming in center. What we can do, I can put a center tag here. Fine. We can put here a center tag. And let's close here. Whatever output, our output will come, that should come in the center. Okay. Fine. See here now, output will be coming in the center. Fine. So here a result came, and I had declared here where result, where RESULT result. Let's see now what's happened. Is anything? No problem. So in JavaScript, you have to understand by each and everything. Without declaration also you can use. So result we haven't declared directly, we had used. Now what I say, in place of result, what can be another way, guy? So here suppose we give A plus B. Here we give A plus B and see what is happening. So this way also you can get, but better way, before we do the operation and keep on a variable and then we display. Fine. So this is the arithmetic operator. These are arithmetic operator, and in this program many are there. In this program many are there. Suppose we do subtraction. Suppose we do subtraction. So here we can do subtraction. Here we can do subtraction. Here we can write comment. So this is comment. Here subtraction. Save this program. Our program is running. So let's execute this. So what you see, guy, A minus B and A plus B both coming in one line. This is not looking good, correct? So we can bring the line break. So how we can bring the line break, guy? See, line break variable is there. So here what we can do, after this, we can write document dot write in bracket line break. Fine. So just close this, terminate this. So I given a line break. Now you see the output, guy. You see the output. So both are coming in different line. Fine. So both are coming different line. So with after one operation, always we will be giving line break. After one operation, we will be giving always line break. So here, let it be. So in this program, I have many things, and now if you have understood this, you can do any operations. Like so other operations, I am just going to copy paste and show you directly. Okay, because we have very shortage of time. So all the other operations I am going to keep below and show you. Fine. So what are the other operations that I will explain you? This is line break. So here this is division. This is a division operator. So here division of A and B, what is the output coming? You can judge yourself. Ampersand, what is this, guy? Any of you are aware of this ampersand? So this give you the reminder. This give you reminder. So suppose you are dividing A by 10 by 20. So nothing will come here. Make B by A here. Why? Because 20 divided. Same way, ampersand B A, here let it be. See the output. And what is next, guy? Here C came. One variable was there, C. And I think C is having some string value. C is having some string value. So whether C will get added, whether we will get any error. If suppose C++ is there, 100% error will be there. But in JavaScript, error will be not there. And see here, A is equal to plus plus A. So what is this, guy? What is this? Are you aware of this? Increment operator. So pre-increment, first increment and then. So here If any of you can tell me the value, see value of, you know that value of A is 10, and before printing we are doing increment. So what will happen? Plus plus. So how much it will increase? 2 or 1? Question is plus plus A. So how much A will increase? 2 or 1? Anyone? How much it will increase, guy? 1 or 2?
1.
1. Good. So here 1 minus. Fine. So let's see here. Output. All the output came. A divided ampersand B, 10 divided by 20 ampersand. So how much remainder? 0. If division I do, 0.5. See here, 0.5 came. A plus B plus C, 30 test, a string also came. Plus plus A, 12. Why it is 12, whereas it is, okay. So now you have to find why it is plus plus. See, twice it's happened, not one. One time here, and during the result also this, correct? During result also once I increase. Suppose here we don't do the increment. Save this program, execute this program. Here output came 11. Fine. So fine. So I hope you understood this program. Now I'm closing this program, and here we explain operators, different type of operators. Next is variable scope. Already we have explained variable scope, control loop, if and else. So as I said that JavaScript is a programming language and it have all the programming capability. Fine. So here in this program, while loop, this is wrong. I don't want while loop. I want if and else. Maybe not. Okay. Control is fine. So this program control a statement. Title I have given control a statement. So how we can use if and else statement in JavaScript? Wherever we write, we are going to write in the HTML program. So first we have to declare JavaScript where class strength I given. Class strength is what? A variable. What is its value? 51. So yes. So see, your class strength is only 20. I am making it 50. If class strength is 40, I am making. Okay. See here, I am going to use if statement. So what this if statement is going to do, guy? Suppose I am keeping 50. So how the if statement work? Class strength is greater than 50. Is it greater than? No, it is equal to. So whether this statement is going to execute or not going to execute, who can tell me? So it control the flow of program. See here, I wrote. Sorry, we fail to meet the condition. Okay. So whether this part of code is going to be executed or no, guy, it's not going to execute it because here our condition is not true. So let's run this program and see the output. Let's run this program. So we run this program, math book, set variable, different value, and then try. So output is not coming from that. This program is containing some more thing below. So output is coming from that. So how we can, so control is not going at all here and no code is getting executed. That's how this is referred as control statement. It controls the flow of program. If you have to try to understand that how compiler works. Compiler come here, they see this thing, they see also JavaScript, they come here, they see this variable and they start matching this condition. Condition is failed, they come down and they executed this thing. They executed this thing. Fine. So control comes like that. What is control, sir? Some guy, student, no one is there. Any ghost is not there. Ghosts are there, guy. That's why program give the output, correct? Some hosts are there, some compiler are there, which is giving the output. So control, now how I can meet? I'm changing this condition 49. Okay. So please, A student strength is decreasing. 47 I given. Please don't decrease today. It is JavaScript. JavaScript can come to your home. Okay. So please don't go early today. You won't get this class anywhere in India. Let's execute this program now, guys. Let's execute this program. We don't require here this thing. Program may be executing. No. So let's come and run directly. Control a statement. Open this. Fine. So continue the class. We failed to meet the condition. No, this is not very good. Sorry. I wrote great. We made the condition. We made the condition. So today nobody will go. Less than 47 should not happen. Okay. We made the condition. So we are into this part. Let's see really or no. We meet the condition. So something is here, guy. I can give one BR tag. Here we can give one BR tag. Fine. Here also we can use one BR tag. So why we use BR tag? So we haven't stopped HTML, correct? We haven't stopped HTML. HTML will be used in all the program. Continue the class. Great, we made the condition. Fine. So we seen how we can use if statement. Fine. So next is, guy, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this. Okay. See here. See, I will be sending you the program. Okay. I will be sending you all the program. In between, I am removing this part. I am removing this part. So program should be clear. See, second part is I'm removing this. So second program is if and else. So second part, see, we should have some option also. If number of a student is decreased today, what I should do? I will do some option. So now I have if our strength is greater than 50, we don't have. So I'm putting here normal condition. In document that write, I stop the class. If less than 40, now I'm putting. So this doesn't mean that you should go home. You should enjoy the class. Let's run this. Continue the class math book. Output is coming from down. So here we can again give break. So continue the class. We are coming from here. Output is coming from here. Save this. So we go to line break, continue the class. Fine. So now suddenly what's happened? I change the condition 50. Okay. And current strength is 48. So now what program is going to go do, guy? Which part it's going to come? It's going to come this part because we will not meet the condition. So let's see here. Here, stop the class. So it's coming, stop the class. Here we given BR tag. Here we given BR tag. Strength is less. Fine. So you understood how you can do if and else statement in JavaScript. And this statement, this thing we can do inside a HTML program. So your HTML program web page is going to a stronger, correct? Many times you require to take some decision and display the output in web page, whereas you are designing the web page using the HTML. So why this example, guy, you can understand what is the use of JavaScript inside the HTML program. And HTML program doesn't have this capability to do this. So I hope for everyone it is clear why we use JavaScript inside the HTML program. So I'm removing this program. Fine. So what is this, guy? Here if a statement once, if, else if, else. So sometime in the program we require to use if and else in multiple time in a single program. Suppose this many of our students, then do this. If this many a student is there, do this. If this many of our student is there, do this. So this way you can write a program to have the multiple check condition. This way you can have a program to check multiple condition. I'm clear, guy? Is it getting clear for everyone? Are you getting my voice? Any difficulty are as of now, are you facing any of you? No, no?
No.
Fine. So you understood this. You can check this. Output. So now math book. So why math book coming? Here maths I given. I change this web design. I change this web design. So which is the output going to come, guy? Web design. So book is equal to, I am checking history, doesn't meet. Book is equal to math, doesn't meet. Book is equal to economics, doesn't meet. So it is going to come in else part, unknown book. This output should come. So you are sure this is the output is going to come or something different? So unknown book came, correct? So here multiple time we have used if and also statement. Many times you require such thing to do, take a decision like this. So that time you can use this. So it is not advisable, guy, to use multiple time if and also statement. If such requirement is there, what you can do? You can use switch statement. So what is switch statement, guy? So no, this is switch statement. Okay, this is concept. Switch statement work like this. Switch statement, and there will be a expression, and this expression will be checked with this case. Okay, this expression value should meet with this condition, either condition 1, then this will be executed. If it meet with condition 2, then this is going to executed. If meet with this condition, this is going to be executed. So this is the way of switch case statement. So let come here, and one program we have written. So why we use switch case statement, guy? And when we use switch case, when we have to check multiple condition, we have to use this switch case statement. Fine. So let's check here. Grade is equal to A. Grade is equal to A. Okay. Here in this variable grade, we assign some value A. Document.write, enter the switch block. Okay. So here it's going to check grade A. Then if this case is A, then good job. This is going to come. Suppose here it is B. So here you will not able to understand, or if you can understand, here multiple time checking is not there. Directly go and check and terminate from there, because here break a statement is there. So suppose it is B, it is going to come here, and if this portion is going to be executed, and this is going to break. Program is not going down and checking anything else. Program is not going down and checking anything else. If nothing is matched, default, unknown grade. Fine. Save this. Refresh this program. Entering switch block. Pretty good. So when is pretty good? Pretty good, in place of pretty good, we can write grade is B. We can write GRAD, grade is B. Fine. Save this program. Come here. Refresh this. So entering switch case, grade is B. Fine. So I hope you understood bit how the switch case statement are getting used. Suppose you change this here C, and see this value user can enter. Many times we can take from the program control, from the desktop, the pop-up will come. We will pass this value. based on that decision will come on the website. See here, now pass. If I put the C, then it say pass. Okay, EF fail. What I did, guy, I'm putting G. I'm putting here G. So none of the case statement will be matched. None of the case statement will be matched. So when none of the case statement will be matched, default portion will be executed. Unknown grade. Fine. So this is the switch case statement. So next guy, I'm going to start. Controller statement, switch statement, loop. So what is the loop, guy? Loop is used for repetitive work. Loop is used for doing some repetitive work. So here is one program. Try to see. Here is one program inside this JavaScript. We have declared one variable where yes count. Now I am counting the student strength, guy. I want to count the student strength. See, I will able to count or no, or I will able to count. I can count you. Fine. Current student count is, it will going to display. So how? Yes, count is 1. We will start counting. Start from 1. So don't decrease the strength. My program will become false. My program doesn't counting live. Okay. Yes, count is less than 45. Yes, count plus document.write. See, guy, how this loop is working. If any of you have the knowledge, this is a for loop, and for loop is having 3 parts. First part is the initialization part. We have a variable yes count and we have initialized to 1. Okay. Yes count is less than 45. No, we are giving 46. And yes count plus. So plus is why? What is this, guy? This is increment. So this will get execute. This will get execute. And again loop will come. Again will come. It will check. See, first time yes count will be 1. So 1 is less than 46. This is the way of loop. And this will continue till yes count is less than 46. So now 46 you became. And now I am going to execute this program. Fine. Did you understood, guy, how the loop works? So do you have the clear concept? See here. Current student count is 1, 2, 10, 11, 9 till 45. Loop finish. It retain this one. Okay. So you don't want to see this way. You want to see different way. You want to make a magic which can count the student. Okay. So what we'll do, I can make this magic, guy, like this. Okay. Suppose no statement is there. Loop finish. I want to yes count this way. So it won't execute. Something should be there. Yes, it's working. A start loop. Current student count is 46. So how it is counting, guy? So this loop is going yes count in the start. See, first it is 0 and its increment is happening only inside this loop. Increment is happening only inside this loop and it got incremented. Fine. And after the increment, we came out and we printed the yes count variable. So it given 45. Fine. So this is a loop. This is known as for loop. This is the most used loop. It's having 3 parts. One is the initialization part. Second is the condition check, and third is increment and decrement. Okay. Suppose you give here 45. Here we given 45. Okay. And here we given yes count you do till it is greater than 0. And this line, see, reverse of the loop, how you can do. Reverse of the loop, how you can do. Here you given this current count. So it will start from 45. And every time we don't have to increase. We have to decrease. Run this program. Output should be interesting. Yes, loop finished, nothing came. So what's wrong? Now you have to find the what's wrong here. For loop start from 45. Okay. Yes, count BR. And yes, count is minus minus, and yes, count it will work. It will work till yes count is less than 0, or we can make less than 1. So program is right. Yes, count is 45. Yes, count is yes, count. No. Okay. This was the thing. It should be greater than 0. Make this way like this. Now you run this program. So a student count is 45 and it is reducing and it printed till 1. Okay. So we reverse this program. So you should have capability, guy. Today I am going to send you all the program you execute and understand. Okay. So next, for loop. So like that we have while loop. So now question come, why I should use while loop, guy? And why we should not use for loop. So while loop work this way, only we have a condition check in the start, and then here be required to do increment decrement separately. Okay. So condition check, and also initialization is not there. Same program what we have started we did here, we can do using the while loop. Document.write a start loop first given, and yes count initialization we have did here. So now yes count is 1 is less than 10. So in place of less than 10, I am going to less than 45. I'm going to less than 45. So now it is also, it will a student count, and every time count I'm increasing. So you see this program, guy. So program is while loop. It will have similar output. It will have similar output. See, it also start from 1 and it goes to 44. Why not 45? That you can understand from the program. It should be less than 45. So how I should able to print till 45? We can use equal to sign. We can use equal to sign. Change this. See this program, refresh this program. Now it will be printing till 45. Fine. So you have to be aware, guy, of this a small thing in the program. It shouldn't be like that I have the program, sir, and not understanding the small things. Fine. So this is about the for loop, while loop. So function. So what is function, guy? What is function? Now I will open function. So already said that function are set of a statement to do a particular kind of job. So how we can write function in JavaScript? Inside the JavaScript, we have to write. So we declare a function. So using the keyword function, what is the name of function? Concatenate. So what we are doing concatenate function? It's taking parameter first, middle, and last name. Variable is there, and we are defining some formula. Full is equal to first plus middle plus last. Return full. Now function required, function is not going to work. Something you arrange, it's not going to work. Someone have to come and call him. You called one actor, he can do very good performance. Someone have to give the chance. So now second function is going to call the function. Here we are going to call result is equal to concatenate. And this function take parameter first, middle, and last. So first is Sunil Kumar Singh. Okay. So here this result is going to come. From where it's going to come? The first function is going to give the result. Function return a value. You should be aware. You are going to become programmer. You have to become familiar with the programming terminology and the concept. Function will return value on this variable result. And if I am printing this result, I will get the required. Fine. Also, this has something, a script type result concatenate. I have called here in the main and click on the following button, and I have called second function. So different way of calling the function. Function can be called in different way. So let come guy here and see the output. Already this program is running. So output is coming here. Sunil Kumar Singh, click the following button to call the function. So one places we have called the function directly. Second place we have called the function using a button. So here also same output is going to come. Here also same output is going to come. Fine. So next we will go on click function. Input type button, and when we click on click is a function. On click is a function. On click is a event. On click is a event which will be occur when you click on a button. So that time what we are doing, we are calling second function. We are calling second function and it is getting called. So fine guy. So function got over. Next, array. See, it's a programming language. So array is also type of variable which can hold multiple value. So how you can declare array guy? So using a keyword just where students. So it's a like simple variable, but here we are using new array and we are assigning the value here. So this is known as array declaration and assignment together. Here we assign some value. So now this array is having some value in array.prototype display item function. So here we use loop and we are reading the array element one by one. So array element will be stored under different index. So index of the array start from 0. So if 7 value is there, it index will start from 0, 1 till 6. So using this array, this loop, we are going to print the value. So next we will see guy, what else thing we can do in the array. I'm cutting this part. Okay, I'm cutting this part. I'm saving this and I'm executing this array program. I'm executing this array program. Fine. So many more things is there, guy, from in JavaScript. See, nothing output is coming, no output. Why no output is coming? Because from where this function, this we require to call. If we don't call, no output will come. Fine. So where we can call this for loop, we have to call somewhere. This is the array. Fine. So here, and this is document.write array prototype here. So document.write sorted array. Sort is an inbuilt function. Sort is an inbuilt function in JavaScript. It is going to sort. So what it will sort, guy? See, name is assigned here, John, Mohan, Sohan, Edwin, Iljit, and Anil. So it will sort alphabetically, and Anil should be coming first. Anil should be coming first. Fine, guy. So this is the array. Now you see, run this array. Still output is not coming. What is wrong? Let's save this program. Now you refresh this. So here, sorted array. So sorted array, Edwin, this one, Anil. Okay. So reverse array. This is reverse array. So this value are there in array. We are able to print this value using this array. Fine. So this is about the array. So what is left, guy? Event. So this last program I will execute event. So event, what is event? Say hello. Say hello. If I click here, good of luck. So now it is coming here. Bring your mouse. See here, mouse over event. These are event. If you see the code here, so JavaScript is used here. We called one function alert, good luck. So this is written inside the function. Will it get called automatically? No. So I'm calling this. Okay, I'm calling this. Where I'm calling, click the following button to see the result. Input type button and say hello. And say hello is a function here. Say hello, this function get called and we get the output. Already we seen. Second thing, we have wrote some other function. Function over, name of the function is over. So this is what kind of event, guy? Mouse over. So when it is getting called here, On mouse over we are calling this over function, and mouse out we are calling mouse out. Okay, see, run this, refresh this. So here we have a button, and on click event we are calling this good luck. Fine. We can reverse this, we can refresh this. So say hello, and if I'm bringing the mouse, again refresh this. If I'm bringing the mouse over is there. Somewhere else we click, we cannot come back. Fine. Here I click, nothing. Here we, so mouse over event is getting called. So these are events, and JavaScript is very rich in events. And any of the event we can call, any of the event we can call in the HTML program. That is the beauty. That's why JavaScript is highly used inside the HTML program. Fine, guy. So is any program is left? Yes. Page redirect we can do. Dialog box we can do. So I show you the program. So like alert function, we have a inbuilt function, dialog box. Click on me, I will be calling this get confirmation. So get confirmation is a function, user defined function. If I name this one, here also just we have to make it one, nothing else. It is a user defined function. So what is user defined function? What user write is user defined function. Get confirmation. Fine. So do you want to continue? So if I say yes, true, then document.write first option user want to continue. Return true. So when true is there, guy, true is there. So what should happen is anything is there. Function get confirmation. Okay. Nothing have to do. This option is going to be printed here. So let's run this program. So dialog box, how to use dialog box in JavaScript and how. Click the following button to see the result. Click me. So do you want to continue, guy? I want the input from you. If you want to continue, I am going to continue the class. Or if you don't want to continue now, it's totally on you. Can I know your output? Do you want to continue class? Yes or no? Now the continuation class is on you. So you say yes. Yes. So I click yes. First option, user want to continue, so I must have to continue. So we'll execute one or two more program and also show you how it's happened. Here we wrote one function, get confirmation this. In this function in the main body section, we have called here on button click. We have given one button, and on the button it's written, click me. I can change this. Interns, okay, and then we call that function. So if it is true, user get the option yes or no. So user if true, then first option this. Second option, if you do, user doesn't want to continue. Let again refresh this program, refresh this here. So interns here came. So interns output or interns message. So this time I will give cancel. So user doesn't want, this one came. Fine. So this way we can use this dialog box. This is referred as dialog box. Let this animation. What is this animation, guy? We can, JavaScript can make all of you to leave the class, join the class. See, start here. This started moving. This started moving. Fine, guy. So this way we can do a lot of animation things using this JavaScript. It's very simple. And I am going to give you the program. So if you don't understand, you can ask me. Fine. So print also, we can do some printing here. JavaScript can print anything, print. So I can print here, correct? Print command came. If printer is attached, I can print it. Fine. So animation, break, continue. So almost thing. See, guy, whatever program till it I did, these were all internal JavaScript. Okay, there is also external JavaScript. We can write JavaScript program separately in a file, and extension is going to be .js. Fine. See, here I have a program. Here I have a program. Okay. External, see here this program. this program, if you look the code, here we haven't wrote any JavaScript, but we have called one external JavaScript. So how to call? To call also we require to include the script types JavaScript, src external.js, external.js. So external.js is a Java file. You want to interns.js to make it interns.js. So now run this program, guy. Okay, run this. Fine. So this program is running now or not running? Running. So say hello, nothing happening. Why nothing happening? Because I changed the program name external.js, whereas I rename this interns. Let's make it interns.js. Now we have the right file. Our program is running. Say hello. Now something is coming. So hello guy, I'm coming from JavaScript. Are you understanding? Tomorrow we'll start MySQL. So this is giving a routine to you guy. So now this is good. See, so we have to see how we retain external JavaScript, correct? Now JavaScript is no more in the HTML program. It is outside the HTML program. So let's open this. So where we can open guy? We can open with Notepad++. Let's open with Notepad++. See here, we don't write a script type is equal to JavaScript. So why we don't write? You have to understand. This is a not a HTML program. This is a JavaScript program, JS file. Here we don't require to write a script type is equal to JavaScript. What happen if we write here? JavaScript is not going to understand. So here what we write guy? Directly we write function. So we can write only one function or different function, multiple function, another function also we can write. So this function I name it to hello guy, thank you. So here I will make it thank you. Okay. Thank you. See you in next class. Fine. But we require to call also. We require to call this. So whether we have called? No, we haven't called. If we haven't called guy, then how it is going to work? So how we can call a new function in JavaScript? That we can see here. So function name is simply to, and button, separate button will be there. On click. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my value? Say hello, no, thank you, something, thank you. Let's run this program. So did you understood guy? We have a external JavaScript file. The file name is interns.js and it contains multiple functions. Two functions are there. Now, what is the thing? I have called these two functions using button in the body sections. Fine. So let's refresh this program. So now two things is there, say hello and thank you. First we click on the say hello. So this is giving this routine. Fine. No, it's not coming. Why not coming? Some error. Okay, this is the thing. So thank you. Thank you, see you in next class. So both output is coming. Output is coming from, if you will see the intern, this alert. So in place of alert, if you use confirm. Okay, if you use confirm, output is going to be different type. Okay, refresh this, say hello. Okay. So hello guy, I'm coming from JavaScript. You understanding? Tomorrow will you start my MySQL? So you say okay. We are not collecting and doing anything. Okay. We are not collecting and doing anything. So it is just simply going. You want to change the second one? We can change the second one. Thank you. See you in next class. Okay. So thank you. See you in next class. And okay, fine. So thank you guys. Thanks for your time. Today class is getting over. Tomorrow I won't continue this tomorrow. Tomorrow will guide you something MySQL and or we'll start PHP. Okay, we'll focus on more projects. So MySQL and PHP is important for you. JavaScript you can keep reading. I am sending you the PPT. I am sending you all the program. You execute, but you will execute. I will not execute. And you have to be very honest to yourself. Okay, guys? So thank you. Thank you. Thanks, guy.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. So how was the class? Did you understood? Anybody face any problem? I would like to love your feedback. It always helps me to improve in each next class. Okay. Thank you, guys.